yesterday I got a package from Bloomsbury. Now, this is not what I got from Bloomsbury. Like, I've just been saving this because it's so precious to me. Bloomsbury Creator Circle. So I signed up for it because they extended it to people in America and Canada. And I was like, yes. I know it's just like pink tissue paper, but I'm just like, I want to save this. I want to put it in a box somewhere. I want to like, look at that. Let me show you the book that I got. Carving Shadows into Gold. This is from the wildly successful series of Forging Silver into Stars. I'm so excited to read this book. I can't believe I got an ARC for this, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts.